Hey everybody, this is Kim Siever with Hot Pepper Communications. We specialize in writing, editing, and social media management. Today I'm going to talk to you about the difference between practice and practice in Canada. One of the challenges of Canadian English is that it incorporates British English while simultaneously incorporating American English. This is particularly confusing when it comes to choosing which words to use. Take the words practice with a C and practice with an S, for example. Practice with a C in both the UK and the US is a noun, as in we're going to football practice. However, in the United States it can be used as a verb as well, as in we're going to practice football. Practice with an S, on the other hand, is a strictly British usage. In the UK, English speakers use practice with an S as a verb, in the same way that Americans use practice with a C as a verb, as in she is licensed to practice law in England. So where do Canadians come in? Do we side with Americans as we do with tire and curb, or do we side with the British as we do with color and meter? Well, in this case, in Canada, we use practice as a noun and practice as a verb, just like the Brits. Now, keep in mind, as with some other words, this usage is changing, just as how the American spelling of color and pronunciation of Z are starting to gain popularity in Canada, so is the American usage of practice with a C. In time, Canadians may end up favoring this simpler approach, but for now in Canada, use practice with a C as a noun and practice with an S as a verb. Here's a bonus tip. Same goes for license with a C and license with an S. In Canada, license with a C is what you receive, and license with an S is what someone does to you when you receive your license. Thanks for watching. Check me out online at hotpepper.ca or visit me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or LinkedIn.